want the kingdom to transfer to me, and I have a delicious new plan, you will see. Into the forest that jester I'll send with this cool potion to make his mind bend. I don't think I didn't hear any of that. Yeah.
Oh, how I miss my precious areola. She was so round and perky.
Now here, try some of this tonic I have for you. It'll make you feel better.
Oh.
Why, thank you. I trust you implicitly. What a strange flavor. Yes, I made it myself.
Really?
Out of parts of my own body.
Richard, here's the real one.
Oh, hello. Are you Small Ministers' little brother?
Oh God, it's horrible.
What are you doing? You can't drink that, you steal it from me.
It's from me.
You peed in a bottle again?
No.
Receive.
Oh God! Now you shall be my evil slave, and do the wretched things I crave.
What? I'll tell you in a minute.
Your once kind soul has been exchanged for one demonic and deranged.
Yes.
Your body that was somewhat hunky